Imagine you're trying to buy something online. You visit a website, add a few items to your cart, and go to checkout. But when you click the Place Order button, nothing happens. Or maybe the website loads slowly, or it crashes completely. These are just a few examples of the problems that can occur when a website or application isn't performing properly. And when that happens, it can cost businesses dearly in lost customers and revenue. UX frustration or slow performance is one of the biggest drivers behind customer dissatisfaction, which leads to the renunciation of apps and websites. That's where synthetic monitoring comes in. Synthetic monitoring is your digital insurance policy. It simulates user interactions with your applications just like real users to ensure that they are always functioning flawlessly. This allows businesses to identify and fix performance problems before they impact real users. What are the benefits of synthetic monitoring? There are many benefits to using synthetic monitoring, but what really gives it an edge is that it's automated, efficient, and always vigilant 24/7. By monitoring synthetics regularly, you can reduce MTTR by up to 75%. Additionally, you'll also reap benefits such as improved performance, reduced downtime, and improved customer satisfaction. How does synthetic monitoring work? Synthetic monitoring works by simulating user interactions with your application or website with the help of scripts that can be run from various global locations to simulate user behavior from different regions. This allows businesses to get a complete picture of how their websites and applications are performing for users all over the globe. Synthetic monitoring with Applications Manager. ManageEngine Applications Manager offers a suite of powerful monitoring features that include website, end user, synthetic, and application performance monitoring capabilities to provide a holistic view of your application's health and performance. These capabilities empower organizations to proactively identify and address performance issues, ensuring a high-quality user experience and minimizing business disruptions. Some of the key synthetic monitoring capabilities of Applications Manager are script recording and playback from real browsers such as Chrome or Firefox, simulate complex multi-step user flows, deep visibility into performance metrics, 24/7 multi-location synthetic monitoring across the globe, real-time alerting, comprehensive reports and dashboards, multi-protocol support, business transaction monitoring, monitoring of APIs and web services, performance monitoring of third-party services that your application or website relies on, custom scripting to monitor specific aspects of your website, integration with Real User Monitor and Website Monitor. In today's hyper-competitive landscape, staying ahead means staying reliable. Synthetic monitoring keeps you at the forefront of digital excellence, safeguarding your reputation and ensuring your digital presence always shines. Make the smart choice today to elevate digital performance.